I met Dr. Bada when I had to take my mom in for an emergency at Memorial. And she started asking me the questions about our family history. I told her my father had passed away with a heart attack, and then mom now was at AFib. She said, you need to come in and get yourself examined and take the necessary steps to avoid and prevent heart disease as much as possible. Do you think I listened? No, of course not. And then one day out of the clear blue sky, I'm bringing in some groceries and I had to drop them because I got this real severe sudden pain across the back and I lost all strength in my arms. I started getting a lot of that same symptom over and over again. And finally I went to see Dr. Bada and she ran the usual tests.
We felt that her symptoms could be from microvascular angina, where the small blood vessels that are within the heart muscle may be affected and cause chest discomfort. Microvascular angina is not something that is commonly diagnosed, partly because we need to do some invasive testing, and that testing is not easily available, and it is also a little cumbersome to perform. Memorial Hospital happens to be one of the centers where we have 2 interventional cardiologists that have a special interest in this type of testing.
Dr. Bada came in and she just sort of laid it out, and I got a ton of questions. And she would clear those up for us.
We treated Vivian with nitroglycerin tablets. In addition, she uses a nitro patch sometimes before she plans to do any vigorous exercise or activities. She is also on a class of medications called a beta blocker.
It's worth everything to have a doctor that is not only empathetic and knowledgeable, but someone who knows you. She could have just sat back and said, well, Vivian, just take your blood pressure pills and walk your 10 minutes, and I'll see you next year. And she's never done that. I know that what I have, it could be so much worse, and it's not, because I have doctors that are guiding me and helping me. It's a freedom that I can't explain. It's just wonderful.